Transport system in human. In transport system of human, we have already discussed circulatory system. Now today we are going to start its second part, lymphatic system. Lymphatic system comprises lymph and lymph vessels. Now what do you mean by lymph? Here the red color is artery and the blue color is vein. And you have already learned when artery and vein combine, it forms small wall of capillaries. So through the pores of this small wall of capillaries, some amount of plasma, protein and blood cells escape into the intercellular space in the tissue to form the tissue fluid or lymph. So this tissue fluid or lymph is transport inside the lymph vessels, which is denoted in diagram with the green color. So these lymph vessels drain into the lymphatic capillaries from the intercellular space, which join to form lymph vessels that finally open into the large vein. You can understand here more better that here vein and artery combine, and at the bottom side here the lymphatic capillaries is there through which lymph released out, and then through the lymph vessels, which is this light green in color, this lymph vessels passes this lymph and then it finally open into blue color of large vein, and then through the large vein it enter inside the heart. So this way lymph is going to transport in our body, which is called lymphatic system. Now we will talk about what is the function of lymphatic system. The first function is fluid balance. Lymph carries this digested and absorbed fat from intestine and drain the excess fluid from the extracellular space and back into the blood. So we can say it help in transportation and help in the balancing. Now the third function is immune system. Lymph consists WBC, and due to presence of this WBC, lymph color is white. And as you know, WBC develop immune system. So if it is present in lymph, here also it develop immune system. So due to the presence of WBC, it also helps in fighting infections and diseases. So this is all about the lymphatic system. So today our transport system in human is over now. Thank you. Have a nice day.